Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you one of our base roof rack options for the Ford F-150 starting in 2015 all the way through 2022 and possibly beyond. This is both for the Super Cab and the Super Crew Cab here. So here we're featuring the Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. That system comprises three main components, starting with the Evo Clamp foot pack, and then the WingBar Evo load bars, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. So I'll show you some of the key features that make this rack design unique. Starting with the foot pack here, I'll go ahead and assemble the fitting kit components, which include the rubberized metal door frame brackets and the rubber bases. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is take off the outer cover, and then the metal door frame bracket just snaps into place, and the rubber base just presses to the underside. And that's about all you have to do to get the fitting kit to make this base foot fit that vehicle perfectly. There's detailed illustrated instructions that are included with the fitting kit to help guide you step by step to make sure it's done properly. Now let's show you the WingBar Evo. Here's an example of the WingBar Evo in silver. It's also available in a powder coat black as well. So the construction of this bar, it's extruded aluminum with a sophisticated box beam construction. It has a slot on the underside to accommodate the foot pack, and then a slot on the top side to accommodate accessories that are T-Track compatible. So let's go ahead and put the bar, this sample of the bar, onto the foot. And to do that, we just press in the silver tabs on the inside and then slide the foot onto the bar, and it holds itself in place until you get the adjustment correct. The adjustment is done by using a scale slide with numbers on it that correspond to the fit kit instructions. It tells you exactly where it goes on the bar. Okay, next we'll put the end cap in place. And the end cap is unique in that it has a swing away design to allow easy access to that rubber track on the top. Also, that rubber is slotted down the middle so that you don't have to cut the rubber at all to put in your accessory. Okay, then we have the tool here that's included with the foot pack to tighten up the door frame bracket. This tool is unique in that it has an integrated clutch mechanism set to a certain torque. That way you won't over tighten it. And then last, what you would do is put your cover on, and then there's a quarter turn on this plastic plug here to hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace the plug with a metal lock cylinder to give a much higher theft deterrent for the base roof rack system. The locks are sold in packs of sets of 2, 4, 6, and 8, and you can buy additional packs beyond that too. That way, not only your base roof rack is locked up and secured, but also whatever carriers you may have that are locked, and they can all be on the same key. Okay, so those are all the key features of this Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2015 all the way through 2022 and possibly beyond Ford F-150 Super Cab and Super Crew Cab. I'm Paul with rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for direct connection to these products on our website, as well as a fully pre-configured setup as well. Also, if you need additional help with the assembly and installation of the system, we have a link to an install video as well that'll show you start to finish how to install this rack system on a vehicle. Okay, thanks for watching.